She told me.
It's only a mile.
Oh.
It's an exciting day today. Whoop, whoop.
We are getting ready to go to Turkey. And we are prepping to check out Port Authority.
Yep. Start the process.
Yes.
This is turning into a process.
Yes.
And you only have a ball buster but not a nutcracker. Welcome back, everyone. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by.
Lipsy has been a good tuck-away harbor for us as we've been hiding from the Melitemi for several days. So we had a lot of fun in town, and we'll definitely have good memories to keep here. So it's beautiful. When you don't have a nutcracker on board,
And you only have a ball buster but not a nutcracker.
you start to get real creative.
Then you just grab some channel locks.
Woo!
Alright, we're gonna have to do that a little less forceful. That was a little messier than it needed to be.
Can you get the almond out of there? Okay. Ooh, look at that almond. Beautiful. So we're walking into town to enjoy some dinner. Last few days in Greece. We're what?
Well, for now.
Yeah.
She told me.
It's only a mile.
Oh.
It's only a mile.
Maybe 2. Easy walk.
Maybe.
Like, come on.
It's fine.
Like, come on. We can walk 6-7 miles an hour, maybe 20 minutes. No problem. Right?
Yeah.
Right?
We have another mile to go.
Mile?
1.1.
She told me that 2 miles ago. 2 miles ago, she said, we got another mile.
It's all an adventure.
Look, every day is a good day in Greece.
Yes.
Some days you walk 1 mile, sometimes 3 miles.
Sometimes. It's good. Stretch the legs.
Today might be 5 miles.
Maybe.
The worst part is the bus went by.
Ah, no.
And she told me, don't flag down the bus.
No.
said-
Come on.
Are you sure? I can get the bus. No. We're less than a mile.
Yep. That's a thing.
That was 2 miles ago.
Busted.
Just saying. Hey. It's all good though. Okay, guys. Peace. And yes, they did make it to dinner.
Doing one last big provision before we head on to Turkey. So we've loaded up the dinghy. And thankfully we know that the very kind family does delivery from the grocery, so we jumped in the back of their motorcycle truck and got a ride back from the grocery to right to our dinghy, and they helped us load it up into the dinghy. It was great. Now we're just rowing back to the boat. Now it's definitely time to get into the water. Oh, it's so nice.
Hey, what you doing down there?
Hey, filling up the floor with water. Prepping for turkey.
How does that floor go back in there?
Like a puzzle. I gotta pick up this other one first.
Filling up the other side too.
Talk to your brother, talk to your sister.
I love me a good puzzle.
Oh yeah.
You can talk to your brother, talk to your mother, eyes on you. Only talk to your mind, talk to your soul, eyes on you. When you turn on the radio, what you're reading in the papers.
Garbage for sure.
See, every day you hope that there will be something new. Oh, yeah, they try to keep you down, down, down. You can talk in the morning, talk.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's funny.
nice. Sometimes it happens.
Yep.
Where are we? Leros.
Leros.
Leros. We're on Leros, and we are prepping to check out. It's a big day. Exciting day.
Should be good.
Yeah, very exciting.
Finally,
So,
well, not finally. I can't believe it's time to check out of Greece already.
I can't believe it either. It's
We
crazy.
just checked in, didn't we?
Yeah, I know. 90 days flies.
It goes fast. Like wow. Crazy.
Yes, yes. But we're excited to go and explore Turkey.
Yeah, Turkey, here we come. Watch it. Now.
So yes,
Watch out.
watch out. Check
First-
out.
Oh,
Oh. First stop,
Port Authority.
Port Authority.
Yep. Start the process.
Yes. Yep.
They try to keep you down, down, down. You can talk.
One down.
Woo! Another one bites the dust. First stop is done.
Done.
Port Police, check.
Check.
So we got our transit log stamped and turned in, and the boat is officially checked out of Greece.
Yeah.
So now we head over to Customs and Immigration
Yep.
to get our passport checked.
And
stamped.
check the boat out.
Yeah,
Customs does the boat.
right.
Immigration does us.
Yes.
Port Police starts the whole process for
Yeah.
us. They take our travel log, transit log,
Yeah.
and yeah, so it's a pretty minimal process, not too tough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Make a couple hours or what, 90 minutes?
yeah, if that.
It's about 90
It was
minutes.
pretty quick in with
It's
Port
not-
Police.
Yeah,
so.
they were quick. They got to
Yeah.
send it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
All right. Peace.
Okay. Well,
All right.
Here
This
you
is turning into a process.
yes. Not as easy peasy as it was. Seemingly, here on Leros, immigration is on the other side of the island.
See guys, see guys. So yeah, they split customs and immigration here
Yeah.
on this island. So we have to rent a scooter or a car or something and,
Yeah.
and hop over. It's probably like a 20-minute ride on the
Yeah.
scooter, so it's not a long distance.
Right.
But there's probably a bus too if we really. But it's pretty funny that they split up customs and immigration. That's not normally how they do it, I think.
Yeah.
At least our experience here is that
they're in the same port.
usually in the same building even. So.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
That's okay.
see guys. See
We'll
guys.
get through
It's
it.
all good. We'll get through it. Sweet.
Yes.
Talk in the morning, talk in the evening.
it to immigration. It was a little sweaty of a walk, but
Oh, it's not a picture, it's a video.
it's a video.
All right.
Passports?
Another checked box.
Yay!
So the little building behind us is the, you see it there?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's immigration,
Yep.
which makes sense. We're on a ferry dock,
Yeah.
but it's one whole port city across the island.
Yes. So we put our walking shoes on and got to
Here
it.
we go. Put an
Yeah.
hour walking in, no big deal. So,
Yeah.
number 2, now we just had to take our boat out of customs.
Yep.
And so we'll walk back another hour and we should be done early afternoon.
Yeah.
Maybe buy me a euro.
Oh,
I think she's buying me a euro for this.
yay!
lot of
I
work.
think so. I'm excited.
Yes, I get a euro out of it.
One more step down.
Peace.
Hey. Okay, I got this. Oh my god. Well, Leros has been very good to us. We have really enjoyed this island. We've stayed in many anchorages around the island so far, and it's been great everywhere we've been. So it's about 6:30 this morning, and we are getting ready to go to Turkey. So pretty excited about that. As you can see, it's very glassed off. So we are not expecting to sail much. It'll be about a 4 to 5 hour motor to get over to Turkey. We can see it from here. It's a stone's throw, but because of our standard motor speed at about 4.5, 5 knots, it'll take us that long to get there. So looking forward to it. What a time in Greece.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, like and subscribe. And don't forget to join us next week.